Racing. Racing just is started with Wild West break quickly to start rushing of Warriors at Airborne Magic. King Bull running by the rail, Rock My Word, then comes Take It or Leave It. That is my Nicole Angel, Pradera Verde, Biambol, second last, while Our Black is the early trailer by about 10 lengths up the leader and going along for the first turn. Now with Airborne Magic takes command, moving upon the yards. That is King Bull. Wild West is racing in third, and in fourth comes Take It or Leave It. Moving upon the outside, that is mine Pradera Verde. In between horses, Nicole Angel, Rock My Word, then comes Double Black, while Be Humble. Now racing in less. Inside the tres, Octavo, 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Wild West is running by the rail. King Bull is on the outside. Airborne Magic, Pradera Verde now racing in fourth, and in fifth comes Nicole Angel. That is mine. Then next online, Take It or Leave It. Be Humble comes next. Double Black, while Rock My World is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. King Bull is on the outside. Wild West is running by the rail. Pradera Verde is down in third. Last 100 meters with Wild West. King Bull is on the outside. Wild West by a length over King Bull. And finally Wild West. King Bull, then comes Pradera Verde, Nicole Angel.
Alright, mga karerista, number 6, Wild West, crossing the wire first, ridden by FM Raquel Jr. Sinunod lang, then masisugundo 9 King Bull, 7 Pradera Verde, then Nicole Angel. Abitin tayo sa panlima. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 3.